welcome back. You'll notice that I'm crossing the Canadian Rockies right now. As I look out my window, I'm seeing amazing forms of beauty. Some of us may look out here and see peaks that look insurmountable, may look like a rocky path for us to be going down. But I believe that we have greater accomplishments ahead of us. I believe that we can accept any challenge that comes our way, whether it's changes in WIA, whether it's threats to licensing at state levels, whether it's identity problems we have internally within our own organization and within our own profession. I think we have opportunities here. We have peaks to be summited. I see bright horizons on the future of rehabilitation. And I hope that you'll accept me as your leader and choose to vote for me starting on Monday, July 29th. Enjoy the view. I'll talk to you soon from Vernon, British Columbia, Canada.